Your retrieval keeps missing because you picked the wrong graph. Knowledge graphs reuse entity links. Context graphs track the live facts around one task. By the end, you'll choose knowledge graph when reusable entity relationships matter, or context graph when the live neighborhood around one task does. You'll compare knowledge graph and context graph on primary organizing unit, reuse across requests, and best fit retrieval question.
Retrieval degrades when every fact sits in one flat list. The fix: choose the primary organizing unit. A knowledge graph organizes around entities and typed edges: customer, order, purchased. A context graph organizes around a task, user, or session neighborhood. Same data, different anchor. That choice determines what the system can retrieve next. Choose wrong and retrieval keeps relearning the same link. Reuse across requests fixes that. An analyst labels one durable relationship in Neo4j, and later queries hit that same edge again. If the link only matters inside one active workflow, keep it local. Shared links compound value, session links expire fast.
Imagine this scenario. A platform team compares knowledge graph and context graph by the best fit retrieval question for a new retrieval workflow. You see the team decide that entity-to-entity questions need explicit relationship traversal, so knowledge graph fits best. Task-scoped questions need nearby signals that narrow the working set, so context graph fits best. The outcome is they document the chosen approach before implementation, and they use the structure whose retrieval question matches the user-facing question.
Wrong, a context graph is just a smaller knowledge graph. Right, the difference is not only size, it is the retrieval intent, because a context graph is built to surface task-relevant surroundings rather than a general entity network.
Your primary organizing unit drives retrieval. Entities and typed edges enable reuse across requests. Task neighborhoods answer best fit retrieval question. Choose knowledge graph for durable entity links, context graph for live task surroundings.
Grab your retrieval design doc. Write one line. Durable entity relationships or live task neighborhood? Choose knowledge graph for durable entity links. Choose context graph for live task neighborhood. Commit to workflow checklist.